So today I'm going to show you how to add a border to your page on Microsoft Word. How to add a border to your document on Microsoft Word. Very simple. What you just have to do is click on design, and then you can see at the last end, that's the right side of your screen, you can see page borders. When you click on it, then you can choose the different styles. There's the 3D, the shadow box, different styles, the way you want the lines to actually look like. There are different styles. You can try even change the color. Take for example, let me use this color blue for use this box and how thick you want it to be. That way, so let's just use this there. Click on OK, and you can see so all your pages will have whatever options that you want to use, whatever style of page border you want to use. You can tweak it over at this page borders option. Thank you very much.